Choose the right soldering iron. Get one with adjustable temperature and interchangeable tips. Prepare your workspace. Clear, well-lit, and ventilated area with a soldering station or heat-resistant mat. Clean and tin your tip. Keep the soldering iron tip clean and apply fresh solder for better heat transfer. Heat control and timing. Apply the right amount of heat to create smooth, shiny joints. Practice proper technique. Develop steady hands, use the right amount of solder, and inspect joints for quality. Congratulations! You've learned 5 essential tips for improving your soldering skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't get discouraged if your initial attempts aren't flawless. With time and experience, you'll become more confident and proficient. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY electronics content. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more exciting projects, tutorials, and tips. Remember, with soldering, patience and attention to detail will help you achieve professional quality results. Until next time, happy making!